Okay, YouTubers and Facebook friends, here's the story. I was asleep last night, woke up and thought of a design flaw in the can crusher, so this morning I'm going to try to fix that. Let's take a look. Here's the piston. I'll give you a better look at the piston. I have a piece of metal right here. I'm not too high on these screws going in, but at any rate, here's the back side. I constructed this to attach to the connecting rod, which works good. I have no problem with that. My problem is down here on the wood assembly, which you might call the cylinder, that the piston slides back and forth on across here. This end is the same size as that, the same height. Well, this isn't going to work because this is going to allow a can and a partial can to drop down. So I have to have something that is going to come in here in between this can lip to halt the next can from dropping in. Okay, back over here. I have a couple pieces of metal I have marked out and will be cutting. I'm going to have to weld that on there, and then the next one will come down like that, which will push the can, the second can, up and on top of the piston. So I'm going to start on that, and when I get finished I'll let you take a look. Alright, let's take a look at the can crusher. I've got it set up here on the table, made it flat so it's all level. I'm going to have to cut another piece here, and it's 44 3/4 inch total from the end back here to the end up there. That puts my piston right where I want it to crush the cans the size I want. Then the 44.5 inch square tubing that I'm going to be cutting will go underneath this 2x4. Then I'm going to cut cross braces so I can secure this. It has to be very secure because I did find out that flywheel came off the 1994 Grand Am, and it is going to be welded here onto the sprocket with a handle on the flywheel so we can crank it. So it's going to be kind of a heavy affair. I am going to try to mount it over here on the wall where I have my other can crusher. I can move it, mount it here, and secure it with lag bolts in here. I've got 2x4s behind this wall that I can attach it to, and I think that will do it. I may have to put some legs on the outside portion. We'll see when we get to that point. But I'll give you an update on it when I'm finished. Okay, we've done a little more work on this. Got the frame out. Got supports welded at both ends. I haven't cleaned them up or anything. But there's going to be a few more cross pieces on here. And of course this will bolt on after I drill the holes in there. Everything seems to work out. Got good clearance. So I'll continue with this and make another video and get a little further on.